Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new vlog here on my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be getting my teeth whitened for the very first time. My cousin started whitening teeth, so I will leave all her information in the description box. Like I said, I've never had my teeth whitened except for like strips, like whitening strips before, but never like actually whitened professionally. So I'm super excited. And yeah, I'll vlog the process and I'll vlog the results to show you guys. I'm excited to have them a little bit more pearly. But yeah, keep on watching and I hope you enjoy this video. This was my first client here today, the Dazzling Smiles by Veronica. My teeth whitening appointment. You guys saw a few clips in there. They look so white. I'm so happy with them. Like I said, I will link my cousin's info in the description box, but yeah, I'm gonna get home right now and then we can have a little chit chat about the experience. So here they are. Definitely look a lot whiter. The light's making them look a little bit whiter, but they're pretty white. And I'm really happy with them. So I'm in my room now. I'm just gonna go over a few like little facts that you should know before going in. So my cousin did let me know that the procedure was gonna be a little bit different just because of COVID. They have to take regulations differently. But she did tell me this beforehand, so I did expect that. I'm saying As far as sensitivity, I know that when I was looking up teeth whitening myself, there was a lot of issues with like sensitivity. Luckily, I've never been too sensitive in like my mouth area. I still don't feel any kind of sensitivity. My cousins told me too that I might feel like little shocks and stuff, that they've done it before. But I still haven't felt any of that. My teeth feel perfectly fine, perfectly normal, which thank goodness. Another thing my cousin advised me to was not to brush my teeth before. I brushed my teeth probably like 2.5 hours before I got my procedure done. So I ate breakfast like at 7 in the morning. I brushed my teeth at 7:30. I was in there by like 10 o'clock. So I brushed my teeth like 2.5 hours beforehand. I also couldn't eat 2 hours after my procedure. I still haven't ate. It is, what time is it? It's 2:31. I still haven't ate, so I'm gonna opt for something super basic and plate on the safe side, like a salad, like a chicken salad, just because I can't have anything that will stain my mouth, like tomato, anything that's like super red or whatever. So I'm gonna opt out for something super safe. But I got done basically with, of course, the teeth whitening, and it was 3 20-minute sessions, so it was 60 minutes all together. It was basically putting the gel on, putting the vitamin E on your gums and your lips so they don't dry out, and then you sit there for 20 minutes with the light like you guys saw in the video. I did that 3 times. Your mouth does feel a little bit weird afterwards, but not like in a bad way or like in a very like, oh my gosh, this hurts or anything like that. It just feels a little dry, but she does give you a little care package which comes with a little thank you note, super cute, and a little chapstick, because let me tell you, your lips are gonna get really dry. But yeah, I really do recommend you guys to whiten your teeth if you've been thinking about it. I do, however, want to go back when things are more normal so you guys can actually see the in-depth of what it is to go in and get your teeth whitened. I couldn't really show you guys too much just because it wasn't the experience that you're gonna get normally, so I just showed like little clips here and there. But I definitely do want to go back and vlog when it can be like the whole experience and she can talk step by step through every single thing. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this new video. I will see you guys in my next video, and stay tuned. Bye.